Right, I apologise for the mess. It's a little late at night. I've finished the little SMD capacitors on the board, so that's all done. I've got the power supply set at the back there. What I've done, I've connected the power board that I fixed, and I've also now connected an old soundboard with a little speaker just to see what we get as a result. So here we go, put it on. Oh, we got some sound, that's good. The little light's on, which is a good sign. To me, this looks like it could well be a problem with the screen. Sound's working, as I say. There is a signal trying to get through, but it's not quite right. But so I need to look into that. But a positive sign all the way that we've actually got power into it. We've got some sound from it. And the good thing is that light is on, which is a positive in my book. So I'll get back to you.